my name is Lauren Spencer, and today we are discussing the Taking Sides Video 1. Our question is American psychological research generalizable to other cultures? Well, our group has decided that yes, it is, but only if we are researching basic human processes and psychological functions of the mind.
Hi, I'm Anna Tuning, and I'm here to talk about how our next article, The Neglected 95%, Why American Psychology Needs to Become Less American, is in our opinion incorrect. In this article, Arnett describes how we should replace the basic processes in psychology by emphasizing research on context and culture. One of the biggest flaws in Arnett's research is that to really get an accurate analysis from every culture, we would have to study and research everybody in the whole entire world, which is clearly impossible. However, Arnett does have a point when he says that generalization is often overused. Like, and I quote in this article, "Theory, not cultural context, will advance American psychology. Studies using one sample of humans, often Americans, often generalize to other samples of humans in other cultures." Although Arnett was right that generalizability is often overstated, and culture does make a difference when humans make certain choices, when it comes down to human nature, we are all innately the same.
Humans are all created with the same biology. We all have the same instincts and ways of functioning that have been programmed into our brains since the beginning of the existence of our species. Since that existence, we've split into different peoples, tribes, and clans. Basically, cultures have emerged that separate us from one another. Although through these cultures we all experience different lifestyles, languages, and way more, we are still all human beings who basically think and function the same way.
Although studying culture and context is necessary in psychology, without research on basic processes, everything falls apart.
Here is an example of our psychology pyramid. So these right here are our building blocks. It's the building block research that's focused on human instincts and mental processes. This is more of the cherry on top, our cultural research. Without our basic processes, our cultural research can't stand on its own.
Human nature is not something developed over time or through specific events, but something that is wired into every human being from birth. In order to understand how culture and context affect a person anywhere in the world, we must first study the human instincts that affect our subconscious decisions. You need to learn to crawl before you walk and walk before you run, much like we need to study basic processes before we can add the aspect of culture to a situation. They are not interchangeable.
Rolling.
So, additional research. We can further look at this issue by possibly looking at children from different cultures. They can each be tested on basic instincts and mental processes, and then we can see how they react differently by comparing them to children from the same culture who are tested in the same way. This type of research may demonstrate how culture affects us, but it could also demonstrate, to our point, that the basic processes and instincts are the same.
In conclusion, we agree that basic process research can be generalized to Americans because all humans are all 99% the same.
But we think that cultural content can be added to this research to help us better understand the human race. Thank you.